If you want to share a document for another user to make a copy of for their own project, but you don't want to get the annoying request for edit, this might help you out. So here I am in a Google Drive, and maybe I want to share this sales page. I'm going to click on the sales page and right click and go to share. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to make sure that anyone on the internet with this link can view and hit copy. Cool. So now that I have that, I'm going to open up a new tab and hit Control V to paste. And this opens up our sheet. Now go up to the URL bar, and just after the sheet ID and the slash, just select that range and delete. Next, type in copy. And then hit Control A to select all and Control C to copy. And let's try that again by Control V and pasting in and seeing what happens. Now you get a message that says, would you like to make a copy of sales? And click make a copy. So with this URL, you can paste it or share it in an email on a website, and it will direct the user straight to making this request. Would you like to make a copy of the document? Instead of allowing them to make a request for edit, possibly saving you from a few emails. I hope this helps.